Well, the problem I think is the customers have been misled by a lot of warranties with the performance warranty of 25 years by a lot of product, and a lot of companies offer a 25-year warranty on performance, but they only offer a 10-year warranty on the product itself. And if your product isn't performing, it's very difficult to prove that it isn't performing, and the other company will get you to prove that, which is a very costly exercise. And if you might save a couple of $1,000s on a cheaper system, you'll certainly chew that couple of $1,000s up trying to prove your warranty claim, if that company even still exists in 10 or 15 years. Well, there's obviously a lot of people are unaware, and that's what we try to do. I try to educate people and give them an idea of what is and what isn't, and how a bad install can actually affect the product, and how a product needs to be taken care of during the installation. A lot of the products, they come from different factories, they're not even made in one place. Other companies buy all their other products in from different companies, put it together and label it as their own. Then they're only small companies. They might be a company that's only worth $10 million, but they got $40 million worth of product out there. Now, if they go bust, they just dissolve as a business and disappear off the face of the earth. So where are you going to go to get your warranty?